Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chat GPT, an AI that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Whether you're looking for answers, need help with tasks, or want some creative ideas, Chat GPT can do it all. And yes, it even supports voice features. So let's dive in and explore what makes Chat GPT so awesome. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI assistant developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, generate content, and assist with almost anything you can think of. Whether you need help writing an essay, want to learn something new, or just have a fun conversation, ChatGPT's got you covered. Let's start by looking at some real-world uses. Need help drafting an important email or summarizing a long document? ChatGPT can quickly do that for you. As you can see, it takes just seconds to generate a professional email. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. And guess what? ChatGPT is now capable of voice interaction, so you can even talk to it like you would with any other voice assistant.
Here's a fun fact. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Botanically speaking, bananas
Today's weather is sunny with a high of 25 days. See? It works just like any voice assistant, making it even more convenient for hands-free use. Are you feeling creative? ChatGPT can help you write stories, poems, scripts, anything you need. You can even ask for plot twists, character development, or specific genres. It's perfect for writers looking for inspiration or anyone who loves storytelling. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it's constantly improving. OpenAI frequently updates the model, adding new features, improving accuracy, and making it even more useful. These updates happen behind the scenes, so you always have access to the latest and greatest version without needing to do anything. Need help in another language? ChatGPT supports multiple languages from English to Spanish, French, Chinese, Urdu, and more. It can even translate text for you instantly. Je suis en train d'apprendre coder. This makes it super useful for anyone who needs quick translations or help with learning new languages. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or a content creator, ChatGPT can help streamline your work. For example, it can summarize long articles or research papers in a matter of seconds, making it easier to focus on what's important. Entertainment and fun with ChatGPT. And when you're looking for a bit of fun, ChatGPT can also entertain you. Let's ask it for a joke. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. It's always ready to make you smile with some lighthearted humor. Now, you might be wondering, is ChatGPT safe? Absolutely. OpenAI takes privacy and security very seriously. Your conversations with ChatGPT are kept confidential, and it's designed to adhere to strict safety guidelines. The future of ChatGPT is even more exciting. Imagine using it with your smart devices, automating your home, or even working alongside it for advanced tasks in research, science, and art. So that's an overview of what ChatGPT can do today, and it's only getting better with time. Whether you're looking for help with work, creativity, or just everyday tasks, ChatGPT is the perfect AI assistant for you. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the time. Head over to OpenAI and see how ChatGPT can make your life easier. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.